What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are back here at this job here, and yesterday we backfilled the inside and compacted everything. Right now they're digging a couple little footings here because if you see this, we put a block in here so we can knock that out, and a beam goes across this whole thing right here. So when we pour this slab, we will pour these footings with it all as one, and then eventually we'll knock that out, put the beam in at the right height. And we're doing one against the house here too, just to make it a little bit stronger. This old foundation is not in the best shape, so we didn't have to do that one. We're just doing it just in case. But as long as we can get concrete today, we'll be pouring this slab here. So we're in pretty good shape. We just got to get these holes dug, throw some plastic down, and then hopefully get some concrete.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we are all set, ready for concrete. Building inspector came, gave us the approval to pour, but we have an hour and 15 minutes about until concrete is here. So we're kind of just hanging out, getting everything ready, and we're going to take a lunch break, and then hopefully right after that the concrete will be here.
Vaquita, lo que para la costolera.
Is this the what?
Finito.
Yeah.
Vámonos, mis toros. Puta, dos, si ven que entre dos digo a la camilla, estamos trabajando adentro. Esto es bien macho, yo.
Alright guys, so we got this all poured and we screeded it, but it's still pretty wet, so we gotta wait for it to set up a bit before we can finish it. But it went pretty quick. I think we poured this in 17 minutes, so not bad. But obviously this corner is where we finished with the power screed, came across. So once it sets up a little bit, this all will get finished and call it a day. But right now I'm going to take Giovanni with me, and the truck that I dropped off with the Fisher plow and the pumps is done. So we are gonna go pick that up and then run to my father's house, because on the way up Rodrigo got stopped by DOT and got a ticket for having a 10-foot plow on the front of it. So we're gonna take it off and put it on a trailer, and I will yank it down either later this week or next week. That way he doesn't get another ticket driving down today. But we're gonna go grab that, and then hopefully by the time we get back here, this will be finished. All right guys, so just got back here with this truck and this plow. So this pump right there was rebuilt, and we have another one in here on the floor there that they rebuilt. But as you can see, everything is working as it should now. All right guys, so we just got back here to this job. They tried finishing it, but it's still a little too wet. You can see the lines in there, so gotta wait a bit longer. That's the issue with pouring concrete when it's cold out. It's probably about, I don't know, I haven't checked, but it's probably like 40 degrees today. So gonna hang out. Luckily it's only 3:15 right now. Hopefully by 4:15, 4:30 we can get it all finished and call it a day. We are going to cover it with tarp tonight, but that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Either way, hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.